It was game over for Swiss drug maker Novartis in his attempt to win a patent for his cancer drug Glivec. The Supreme Court rejected the multinational company's appeal, ending a 7-year-long legal battle. The apex court rejected the appeal, interpreting the Indian Patents Act. It said that the drug did not meet novelty standards and failed on the innovation front.
Supreme Court has said that the product imatinib mesylate, जो chemical है, it was known prior to 95 through an earlier patent of Novartis. So the new patent cannot be granted.
The ruling is a boost for healthcare activists who want the government to make medicines cheaper in India, where patented drugs constitute under 10% of total drug sales. Many other countries will also benefit since India supplies cheap generic drugs to developing countries.
It's a huge relief because we have more than 200,000 people living with HIV on treatment. 80% of them come from India. The drugs come from India. So we are really worried that a Novartis win would mean that less number of drugs would be available for MSF procurement. So it's a big, big relief for us that the drugs are now safe and secure and available to patients in developing countries.
Novartis maintains that the decision will stifle innovation in the pharma sector.
It's not about the size and the value of the market. It's about how innovation will be managed and rewarded or accepted in India. And it also means if investments and R&D have to flow in India, the ecosystem must be right.
While pharma companies continue to spar over patented drugs versus generic drugs, the cancer patients definitely have reason to cheer, as this decision means generic drug makers can continue to sell copies of the drug at a lower price in India. Bureau Report, DD News.
So what does this judgment really mean? The biggest outcome of the Novartis judgment is that pharmaceutical companies can continue to produce and sell cheaper cancer drugs. This in turn means that India can continue supplying these drugs to developing countries. On the flip side, pharma companies and analysts fear that this decision may impact research in cancer drugs and that India may be branded a protectionist country, making global pharma players wary.